How to use DEGO Finance to your advantage. Have fun staying poor. Welcome to the channel. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. DEGO Finance is an NFT+DeFi protocol and infrastructure with two functions. The project acts as an independent and open NFT ecosystem, drawing users to the blockchain space. The NFT Suite offers services covering the full NFT lifecycle, enabling anyone to issue NFTs, participate in auctions, and trade NFTs. DEGO Finance is also building an NFT protocol to provide a cross-chain Layer 2 infrastructure. By building on multiple blockchains such as Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Polkadot, DEGO Finance enables blockchain projects to acquire users, distribute tokens and develop more diverse NFT applications. The platform includes the DEGO NFT Suite, offering a complete suite of products to manage the lifecycle of NFTs. NFT Foundry, mint NFTs with unique attributes and rarity grades, by depositing DEGO, ERC20, or BEP20 tokens. DEGO Finance's NFTs are backed by the token deposits during the minting process, and can be decomposed to release the deposited tokens. NFT mining, stake NFTs and mine rewards. Auctions. NFT auctions are carried out in the form of FOMO 3D auctions. NFT Marketplace, users can trade NFTs at Treasureland. ScanDrop, a DApp for users to participate in NFT airdrops by scanning QR codes. Guys, make sure like, comment and let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to my channel. Have fun staying poor.